Alright, finally got the Mustang all together, running. Now it's time to tear it back apart and do another few coats of primer and get it ready for paint. We're supposed to have a couple of nice days, weather-wise. Be perfect for it. So disassembly and some more coats of primer. Alright, door jambs are cut in. Deck lid, I got most of that cut in. Did the back panel here, which is covered. Can't see it anyway, but it's got one coat on it. That's where the tail lights go. A little cut in there. Once again, door panels, jambs. Yep, looks pretty shiny. That's basically two coats. It goes so fast.
Secret I should've known. She growls like thunder when the key turns right. Her heart's a machine, but she's alive tonight. Fox body Mustang, tearing up the blacktop. Fox body Mustang, never gonna make her.
Got it moved outside here in the sun. Well, the sun was out. Looks pretty good. Nice reflection. Probably do a little cut and buff on some of the spots. There's a few runs I'll be able to take care of, but for a garage job and me not painting a car in a long time, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I learned a little bit, so the next paint job will be even better. Battleship Gray. We'll continue assembling all the little pieces. Slowly get it put back together. Look at that reflection. Not bad.
Never gonna make her stop.
Quick little walk around with it running. Man, I love the way this thing sounds. Yeah, I like that. All new window clips installed. And here in the front, those ones were a little more difficult than the rears. Now it's ready for the trim. One coat. Seymour flat black for the trim. So I like this paint. I know it says flat black, but it actually dries to a satin, pretty much the color of the cap. It matches like those anodized, the black, but satin color. Use that for all my trim. Amazon, high solids. Two coats of the same stuff on this quarter glass cover. A lot of people don't like these. They don't like the way they fit and stuff. This doesn't look too bad. You just RTV them on, tape them down. Compared to, look how bad. I've actually went over these and primed them. I don't know, see all them pits, and there's just so much missing. This edge is so sharp. You know, usually they're a little wider than that. The rubber's more pliable. This thing is just bad. So, yeah. I think these look quite a bit better. In this case, of course, regular quarter molding and stuff would be great, but yeah. Got the trim on, rear window trim all painted all the way around, and up on the front window trim, cowl, all that on there. Got a little kit, National Parts Depot, to put the cowl back together. All new plastic clips and screws and all that stuff. Turned out good. Yep. It's getting closer. All right, here's a little montage of the Mustang, what it looked like before to now. That's gonna be it.
Tearing up the blacktop, fox body Mustang, never gonna make her stop. She's fire, she's wild, she's gasoline dreams. Fox body Mustang, racing through my bloodstream. She's not just a car, she's a wild escape, a time machine with a feral shape. When the world's too slow, when I need to run, she's my outlaw moon, my midnight sun. I saw her shining in the moonlight glow, her curve like a secret I shouldn't know. She growls like thunder when the key turns right. Her heart's a machine, but she's alive tonight. Fox body Mustang, tearing up the blacktop,